Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation says, please wait, and it's stuck. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So if your PlayStation is taking a very long time on the please wait screen, this is one thing you can try. So I have my PlayStation 5 turned on, indicated by the white light right here. Let's go to the front of it and press and hold down the power button. So we will hear one beep initially, and then we will hear another beep. So our PlayStation 5 is manually shutting down. Now when our PlayStation 5 is completely shut down, I'm going to launch it into the safe mode menu. So I don't see a light on the light bar anymore. I'm going to hold down the power button. I'll hear one beep initially, and then I'll hear another beep like 5 to 10 seconds later on. So I heard that second beep. Now I'm going to plug in a USB cable to the front USB port, and then I'm going to plug in a controller so I can operate the safe mode menu. Now let's press the PlayStation button and use the D-pad to scroll on down. So under this menu, we want to go down to option number 5, clear cache and rebuild database. Then try going to option number 1, clear system software cache. And this is equivalent to unplugging your PlayStation 5 from the wall outlet for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, which you could also do if you do not have a USB cable laying around. Then go on down to option 2, rebuild database, if the first option doesn't work. Now this says it may take a few hours to rebuild the database, but my experience only takes about 5 to 10 minutes at max. Also, if you are having any kind of SSD issues, this should go ahead and solve that for you. So restart your PlayStation 5 a few times and give you an estimated amount of time of how long it's going to take. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Go leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.